Hello everyone. Today we will discuss how to create a database structure for Randomimi School to store information about teachers, students and the subject they teach or learn. Let's break down each step. Question number 1. All the teachers in the school teach one subject or several subjects. Create a table called Teacher Has Subject to store information on all the subjects that teachers teach. In the initial stage of this software, the principal decides to store the details of the teachers who teach only the main subject of grade 9. Follow the instruction below to create this table. Use DDL Query to create the table. First, we need to create a table named Teacher Has Subject to store information about the subject taught by teachers. Each teacher can teach one or several subjects. Here is the DDL Query to create this table. Question number 2. It is necessary to add a column named ID to the table named Teacher Has Subject, which is created to store all the subjects taught by the teachers. The column you add is with the primary key and your team leader has said that auto increment is mandatory. Name the DDL query required for that. Use that query to add that column to the Teacher Has Subject table. Next, we need to add a column named ID to the Teacher Has Subject table. This column will be primary key and will auto increment. Here is the DDL query to add this column. Question number 3. It is compulsory for all students in grade 9 of school to learn all major subjects. Create a table name student has subject to store that information. To do so, follow the instruction below. Use DDL Query to create this table. Now we need to create a table name. Student has subject to store information about the subjects that grade 9 students are learning. Here is the DDL Query to create this table. Question number 4. Students need to add the column name ID in the table name student has subject which is created to store all subjects they are learning. Your team leader says that the column you add must be a primary key and that column must be auto-increment. Create the required DDL query. Add the column to the student has subject table using that query. Lastly, we need add the column name ID to the student has subject table. This column will be the primary key and will auto-increment. Here is the DDL query at this column. And there you have it. We have now created the necessary tables and added the required columns to store information about the subjects taught by teachers and learned by students at Birmingham School. This database structure will help efficiently manage and retrieve the school academic data. Thanks for watching.